Ooh, look at that hair. Hey, it's Keith. Man, my hair is... Hey, it's Keith. I didn't do anything with my hair today. It's a big mess. Anyway, Keith, Casey's Garage, working on the HHR. This shifter, it's causing me big problems now. The button broke off. I went to click it, and this thing here is a button. This button goes here, and I click, and this thing just fell off. You can see the bottom of it right here is broken. It's probably ABS plastic. So it broke. So I went online, and you can 3D print some new buttons. So I just had, this is PLA. I just had that in the printer. So let me try it out. I put it on, put it in there. I was like, okay, it fits pretty good. It works just like the button's supposed to. But I didn't want to use PLA because it's heat. The heat temperature isn't that high in this stuff. I sanded it down a little bit, and it's not, I just wanted to see if it would fit. And I figured I could just pull it back off when if I wanted to. Well, I couldn't get it off. What happened was, this whole deal, there's a spring inside here. All right, so inside here, there's a little spring right there. All right, there's a little spring there. It's supposed to go onto one of these deals. So this thing here went in like this. All right, spring goes on there, holds it, clicks it back and forth. This went like this. This goes in there. Yeah, so it's gotta go like this. So it goes like that. So this end goes in here like this. This goes in there like that. Spring holds that. Pulls it back. But there's this gear. If you look inside here, you can see there's teeth. That goes up and down. I have the selector all the way down. Right? So now this thing goes in like this. Gear selector. This goes in here like this. So it does something like that. It goes in there like that with the spring on here, right? And that snaps in. But you have to get this. I'm going to turn it around. You have to get this so it can spin. So you need to index it in the right spot. So it can go, so it does that. It gets full range of motion. If I go one more over, it won't move. Yeah, that's the right spot because it hits the whole thing. Okay, now where does this actually? So now, yep, it goes like this. This has to go all the way back, like that, I believe. So it's all the way up. The trick is, this guy has to get in there like that into the, and then I put the spring on. I guess I can put the spring on now. All right, spring's on. This is all the way up. Let's snap. Okay. I don't know if that's right. I don't think that's right. This thing has to be all the way up. It has to be like that. And let's put this in. Okay. I think it's mostly in. There we go. I'm not going to snap this end in yet. This bottom piece, I'm not going to snap that in yet. It will go in. So let's see. If I press it down, it pushes down on the... Pushes down on that. Oh, I need the key in. Am I supposed to be able to take the key out with the car off? I don't know. keys in. I guess for coming out of park is what you need it for. Alright, so alright, we're in park. You can hear it. So I shouldn't be able to, yeah, it won't go. Press on the brake, releases that, pull this back, it makes that lever go down. Makes that lever go down there with the gears, and I can pull it. Alright, good. So that's where it is. So now I'm going to take this, get that in, snap that in. You know, let's test it again. Okay, works good. Alright. Looks like this piece has been replaced on mine. Everything else is yellow, and this is like whitish. So now I'm not putting this in. And this is the one that was, it's once you get this in, it is a bear to get out. You can see I cut this to get it off. So now this is garbage. And I have this one that is garbage because the bottom broke. And then I did, out of Pet G, I printed this one. I'm not going to put this one on. So now I know all the problems that happened with getting the other one. But it goes in like that, and pretty much I think you grab it on the bottom and then push it in on top. But see how it's unfinished? I want to sand it down, make it look nice, make it smoother before I actually put it on there permanently. Because you can see, yeah, you can tell. You can tell it's 3D printed. But this is Pet G. It's better for heat. I would have liked ABS. I don't have any ABS, but it's about the same thickness. I mean, it's pretty good design. I got the design off of Thingiverse. This one has it's a little more curvy right there. A little curve right there. Where this one's more just like, it just ramps up. No little indent there, but whatever, it's fine. This will work. Like I said, I'm just going to sand it, smooth it down. And this is like the first 3D printed thing that is useful for me. Actually replacing a part on the car. So anyway. You know, can't find the part? Make the part. Pretty cool.